Hello everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is June 19th and it is 10 o'clock at night. And of course, I want to bring to you a quick video about an online business opportunity that I was introduced to back in September of 2017 that has allowed me to generate thousands of dollars online. And I'm showing others exactly how to do the same. This business opportunity, I took a look at it back in 2015. I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't know how to use it. And there was just a gentleman that was, just giving information about this system. And I took another look at it in 2017, and I'm happy I did because it allowed me to generate thousands of dollars online. And what I'm doing is actually letting people know that it's not hard to generate a full-time income. It's about consistency. Being with the right program, the right business opportunity, and literally knowing how to market that opportunity. So this video is going to be a little bit long, but I'm going to show you proof and I'm going to explain why, because I think people need to know exactly what happens behind the scenes when you're marketing an online business opportunity, what you need to do and how everything works. Okay, so for those that don't know, the business opportunity is a power lead system. And you may have heard of this before, but I'm telling you guys, it has changed my life. From now, between 2015 and 2016, I wasn't making hardly any money online. Maybe $100 here and there, sporadically, but it was not consistent. And I had a friend say, Amanda, get back into the power lead system because it is so easy to get involved in. It's easy to earn a consistent commissions and income, and you'll be able to pretty much leave your job if you do this and you're consistent with it. And I said, you know what, I'm in. So right now, as of last week, I made $2,387 with the power lead system. That's just for 1 week. And the reason why I always give people the amount that I'm making is to let people know what's possible. But not only that, just in a short period of time, I started generating thousands of dollars. Just starting this in September of 2017 up until now, that's not even 1 year, okay? And it just gets better and better with time. And what I also love about the power lead system is that you have leverage, okay? So when I speak about leverage, it's basically with the different levels that they have. The higher you come in, the more money that you can make, because you're going to get traffic generation methods that's going to allow you to generate more traffic, more people to look at your business opportunity. And for those that don't know, the power lead system is just, any online marketing opportunity, it's just a numbers game. The more people you have that look at your opportunity, the more people are going to actually purchase, get involved, and allow you to make even more money. Okay. And this is a group effort. So what I do is I help my team to produce the results that I am as close to it as possible. Again, guys, turn it down, Amina. Results are not typical. Okay. So you have to be dedicated to what you're doing. You have to be consistent. You can't be one of those type of people that every time a new program comes around, you're looking for the next new opportunity. Okay. You have to stay focused on what you're doing and really learn how to master the skill of traffic generation. And that's what I'm here to help you to do, because it's very simple if you just follow my lead. So going into my account under commissions earned, just last week alone, I made over $3,000 online with this opportunity. The week before, 2,345. The week before that, 2,466. The week before that, $3,400. Okay, so that just goes to show you that's consistent. Right now, this week, I'm at 245. We're only 3 days into the week. And you never know what can happen because, people are waiting to get paid and things just jump from 1 minute to the next as far as how many people actually get involved with your opportunity. But what I can say, for the most part, it is consistent. If you need to generate even $500 or $1,000 a week, this is a great place to start, because it's not going to take that long to start building the momentum and the results that you're looking for. Now, some people may be saying, well, what is the power lead system? The power lead system is just a traffic generation magnet. It allows you to set up a sales funnel that you can literally connect to any business, online business opportunity you may have. If you don't have a business opportunity, you can just promote the Power Lead system and make money just by being an affiliate and giving this system to other people to generate of commissions. What you learn in the back office under the training tab, they have these different levels. I call them levels because to me they are. The higher you come in, the better traffic strategies you're going to receive. So for the Master Traffic Institute, which is a one-time payment of $1,497, you're going to make unlimited $1,000 commissions, but you're going to also get the training for the Master Traffic Institute, where you have 6- and 7-figure earners show you the strategies that they use to earn a full-time income. Okay. On this side here, you have the the Master Traffic Academy. Okay. And with that, at the platinum level, you make a one-time payment of $497. You get unlimited $400 commissions, and you're going to get certain trainings that's going to allow you to automate your traffic. That's going to allow you to use different traffic strategies that's going to produce faster results. What I always tell people is you get what you pay for. So many people, instead of coming into a business and actually leveraging that opportunity, they come in at the lowest level to let me see how it's going to work. But what people don't realize is when you do that, when you come in at the lowest level, you are not allowing yourself to get the best training in order to get the results that you're looking for. So you come in as a gold member, you pay $53 per month, you're only going to get $20 commissions. And you're going to only get training that's going to allow you to get $20 commissions here and there, because you get what you pay for. If you want the best strategies, the best tools, you come as high as you possibly can, because that's going to allow you to build momentum faster within your business. And I tell people this all the time. Stop coming in penny pitching and trying to start as low as possible because you're afraid of what can go wrong, instead of thinking about all of the things that can go right by you coming in as high as you can and getting the training and tools that they give you at the highest levels to make the most that you can possibly make. Okay, so I'm just saying that because, okay, the person that comes in as a gold member and the person that comes in as a platinum member, the platinum member is going to have faster results because they're getting quality top tier training to take their business to the next level faster than the person that comes in as a gold member getting not as much training as the person that's here as a platinum member. It's just that simple. Again, you get what you pay for. If you go to McDonald's and you eat a 99-cent burger, you may not know if that's real beef. But if you go to a 5-star restaurant, steakhouse, you know you're eating quality beef, the best of the best. It's going to taste different. It's going to digest different. It's going to look different. It's going to make you feel different when you're eating it. It's just the same way. I tell people this all the time. The difference between eating lobster and eating shrimp, or eating, something from a low budget place and going to a high 5-star restaurant is just a difference. You get what you pay for. And it's that simple. When you get into this opportunity, you have to come in with the mindset that you're going to do well. You're going to learn what is put in front of you. You're going to take your business serious, and you're not going to stop until you're successful. I tell everyone, if you give your business 90 days to 6 months and you're consistently building your business, there's no way that you will not earn a full-time income. It's just not going to happen. Now, the people that come in and 1 minute they're working their business, and in 2 weeks, 3 weeks later, they're on to the next program, they're not going to have the same results as someone that sticks with the program. They take their business serious, and they are consistently promoting their business. Now, there's different ways you can do this. You can promote by using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you do not like those social media platforms, you can use YouTube. If you do not like YouTube, you can use paid traffic, and you can have traffic just come into your link and you're following up with those people. But these are different ways that you will learn with the Power Lead system how to do it effectively, instead of people that are out there spamming Facebook groups, not getting anywhere. They're on their computer for hours at a time, putting their link all over the place to get their link blocked, not utilizing the system properly or even the social media platforms properly. And I tell people this all the time. There's a right way to do things and there's a wrong way to do things. If you keep going around in circles doing things the wrong way, you're going to end up with the same results that you've been getting all along. And that's why there's 97% out there that don't make it, and there's 3% that make it online, because the 3% decided to do something different that the 97% keep doing over and over again, whether it's quitting the opportunity too early, promoting incorrectly, or thinking that there's a shortcut to make money online, and there isn't. Okay, and I'm just being completely honest with people. I'm being completely honest because I thought that there was a shortcut. I thought there was a get rich quick online. I thought that there wasn't a lot of work that I needed to do. I thought that gifting programs, rev shares was the way to go, and it wasn't. And it took a lot of heartache, depression, and a lot of money lost doing that. And then when I finally smartened up, it unfortunately took me a year later, but late is better than never, right? I decided to do things differently. And now I earn thousands of dollars on a regular basis, just promoting the programs that I know are legitimate, that are paying on time, that's been around for a while, and that people can duplicate. Okay, so that's basically it. If you want more information about the Power Lead system, the link will be in the description below. If you want to connect with me, you can go to my Facebook page. I do have a Facebook page you can go to, and you can request me as a friend and get more information about what it is that I do. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you can follow my online journey, because I am brand new to this. I'm like, when it comes to the marketing space and online space, I am like a baby. I'm an infant. Because I have not been doing this very long, and I have not been that successful at it for very long. So I just want to inspire others to start a home-based business. I want to let people know that if I can do it, they can do it. I'm a single mom of 2, and I just knew that I wanted to spend more time with my family. I didn't want to punch a clock anymore, and I wanted to be able to take vacations. And this has allowed me to do those things. I thought about this all the time, what I was going to do, what I wanted to do, and how I was going to do it. And I took the time to learn, educate myself so that I can show others in what people are out there searching for and wondering and questioning about online. I have the answers to that. Because there's a lot of things that people don't tell you that you really need to know in order to be successful online. And that's the information that I share with people. Okay, it's the honest truth. So again, please subscribe to my channel. Get involved if you want to get results within your business. If you want to earn consistent commissions, this is where you need to be. So I want to say thank you for watching my video, and have a great night, and I'll be back with you guys again tomorrow. So have a great night, guys, and thank you for viewing.